I received this product for you to try, but I'm so excited to have a desk buddy that can hold my pencil, my fountain pen, my highlighter, and that's even not a round shape, my makeup brushes, my thicker knitting needles, my double pointed needles for knitting socks, all 5 of them, and these are 3.75. They're a little bit on the thicker side, and it can even hold my crochet hook with this big handle. This way I will not forget where I left it, and it will not fall in between the cushions on the couch. What a great desk buddy.